Well, hi everybody, it's Doug. Here we are at package day, but this is not a standard kind of package, at least in my approach. Basically, I usually get packages from other pickers. I was poking around on my favorite Facebook marketplace, probably the one place that Bosnian Bill isn't stealing all the good locks from. And I did find somebody who had a tray full of locks that they were offering for a low discounted price. And what I did was I said, yeah, I don't like that master number 3. I don't even know what that Chinese lock is. But there were some nice locks in that package. So I checked the ones that I wanted, said I'll take those for the full price. You can do anything you want with the rest. And that is what happened. I am now in proud possession of this package. Looking forward to finding if the gems are what I expected them to be. And there goes the package. They mailed me all this shredded paper. I have no idea what to do with it. Recycle. Ooh, here we go. Alrighty, so I'll let the paper hide it. The first one was an Abus discus lock. These things are notoriously difficult to pick. They're not horrible, but they are an Abus after all. So excellent. Just saw this lying amongst all the other junky locks. Found this and this pair of locks, a couple of Americans, and they are Series 30, which personally I've never encountered. But, well, that one opens. I wonder if the other one is the same key or not. The other one looks kind of rusty. Ooh, but it is the same key. Nice. Alrighty, so couple of American Series 30. These will be interesting to take a look at. Oh, and look at the bitting. Nice. Alrighty. And we've got two more locks. They are, one was buried under the other, so I couldn't see it for sure. But yes, exactly the gems that I saw. These are a couple of American locks marked US. One has remnants of the chain on it. Key retaining. Interesting bitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins in there. These are definitely all going to need just a little love. Snap. And another one. This one with the whole chain on it. Key retaining as always, as the other one is. Trying to retain the key. Oh, and that's definitely a different bitting than the other one. Those are my gems from my friends at Facebook Marketplace. I have another purchase from Facebook Marketplace, and I will be, I may be doing an opening on that. It's a whole box of the same lock, kinda. We'll talk about it. Thanks for watching. This is the future of the next couple of picking videos, so, or at least my Stock Lock Sundays. So looking forward to showing these for you. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Comments, likes, and subscriptions are always welcome. Take care.